Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are waiting for the feature where the taskbar can be moved around the screen in Windows 11, well, it might not be very far off, as the release preview that was sent to the insiders, which is what basically we are going to get on Windows 11 in the last week of this month, actually contains this new feature where you can move the taskbar around. So this will happen in the settings. You'll have a new settings panel here with images that will show you where you want to position the taskbar, bottom, left, right, or top of screen. So it's not like it used to be before on Windows 10, and before we could just drag it with the mouse. Now it will be a slider or a option you'll have to choose in the settings. But it will possibly start rolling out by the end of August. Once again, because of the controlled rollout of the features, it might not be on everybody's PC at first. It will, slowly, gradually be added to computers, to your PC as time goes by. So hopefully, if you want it, hopefully you'll have it when it is released. But it's on release preview, which means that it should be out by the end of the month of August. Or if you don't install the preview updates, it will actually roll out with Patch Tuesday of September. So this is something I know a lot of people are looking forward to. And that now is one of the promises that Microsoft had done and the Windows team. So it will be there for the taskbar to be moved to your favorite position if you like it somewhere else than at the bottom of the screen. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.